A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. So, we were studying your chapter number 3 using a keyboard. Now, tell me in the last lecture what we have studied? We have studied two types of keys. कौन सी? Yes, the alphabet keys and the number keys. Alphabet keys and the number keys. हमने ये study किया था last video में. Now, what we will learn today? We will learn special keys. कौन सी special keys होती हैं keyboard पे? Okay, let us see. Now, different keys on the keyboard. In that, we will learn about special keys. The keys that are meant for special function are called special keys. जो स्पेशल काम करें उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्पेशल कीज बोलते हैं. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज स्पेस बार की. सी, दिस इज अ स्पेस बार की. ये कहाँ पे होता है? ये रहा, ये वाला की. दिस इज द स्पेस बार की. इट इज द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द लास्ट रो ऑफ द कीबोर्ड. It is used to add space between words, letters or numbers. It may not have anything written on it. Now, ये किसके लिए यूज होता है? ताकि हम लोग स्पेस रख सके वर्ड्स और लेटर्स में, नंबर्स में. जैसे कि आप नोटबुक में लिखते हो तो आप किसी थोड़ी स्पेस छोड़ के लिखते हो. इन द सेम वे व्हेन वी आर राइटिंग इन अ कंप्यूटर, व्हेन वी आर टाइपिंग ऑन अ कंप्यूटर, वी यूज दिस स्पेस बार की टू राइट ऑन अ कंप्यूटर टू गिव स्पेस बिटवीन वर्ड्स. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज एंटर की. नाउ अगर आपकी नोटबुक में एक लाइन में आपने वर्ड्स लिखे, ओके, यू हैव रिटन 4 वर्ड्स. नाउ यू हैव टू स्विच ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. तो आप ऐसे लिखना स्टार्ट कर देते हो. बट इन कंप्यूटर वी यूज द एंटर की. एंटर की इज यूज टू मूव द कर्सर टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. हमको कंप्यूटर में जब नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाना होगा, सो व्हाट वी विल यूज? वी विल यूज एंटर की. सी, हियर इज द एंटर की. It inserts a new line. A keyboard has 2 enter keys which come in different shapes. The enter key is also called the return key. The enter key is also called the return key. See, these are the types of enter key that are on the keyboard. Okay, clear? Enter key is used to go to the next line. Okay, and space bar key is used to give space between words. ठीक है? Next, backspace key. Now, when you are writing in your notebook, आपने कुछ mistake कर दी, so you rub it, okay, with the rubber. But we can't do that in the computer. For that, we have to use the backspace key. जैसे कि हमने कुछ mistake कर दी है, we have to use the backspace key. The backspace key works like an eraser. It works like an eraser. Okay? By pressing this key, you can erase the characters that are letters, symbols or numbers one by one on the left side of the cursor. See, this is the cursor, and with the help of the backspace key, we have removed one R from it. हमने यहाँ पे टाइप किया था double R, but with the help of this key, we removed one R from the word monitor. Okay? See, this is the example of it. Okay, dear children? Next is delete key. Now, delete key is used for what? When press the delete key, erases anything typed to the right of the cursor. To the right of the cursor. जब हम delete key press करते हैं, जो भी cursor के right में होगा, it will get deleted. See, here is an example. Position the cursor after O. अभी हम इस पोजीशन, कर्सर को पोजीशन रखेंगे आफ्टर ओ इन द वर्ड मॉनिटर. प्रेस एंड रिलीज द डिलीट की टू यूज यू. यहाँ पे हमने कर्सर रखा, बट वी वांट टू डिलीट द वर्ड यू, सो वी विल जस्ट प्रेस दिस डिलीट की एंड वी विल गेट द रिजल्ट MONITOR, मॉनिटर. क्लियर? बैकस्पेस की हम लोग कब यूज करेंगे? जब हमारा लेफ्ट साइड पे कर्सर होगा. And delete key we will use when the cursor is on the right side. Okay? Clear to you? And backspace key is used like an eraser. जैसे आप notebooks में use करते हो, in the same way it is used in the computer. Okay. Now there are arrow keys, up, down, left and right. A keyboard has 4 arrow keys, up, down, left and right. These keys are used to move the cursor in different directions. See, here are the arrow keys and these keys are used to move in different direction. अगर हमने एक लाइन में if we have typed something and we want to add one more word, so हमको अगर ऊपर वाली लाइन में जाना है, we will just press this up key. अगर नीचे वाली लाइन में जाना है, we will just press the down key. And if we want to go on the left side, we will press left key, and on the right side, we will press the right key. So easy, है ना? जो word लिखा है, in the same way, the key will go in that direction only, nothing else. Okay? Oh, action time! Now, you have to refer page number 28 and you have to do it in the textbook only. Okay, what you have to do, write the missing letter in each of the spaces provided. Now we have to write the missing letters in it. What is the first one? Tell me. As S dash A dash dash B dash R. What is that? मैम ने अभी आपको बताया ये बड़ा वाला की कौन सा होता है, सबसे longest की? Yes, space bar. So you will write P, S, P, A, C, E, space and B, A, R, space bar. Okay? The next one is D, E dash, then E dash, then E. Then D, E, L, E, T, E. That is the delete key. That is the delete key. You will write it along with me in the textbook, okay? And this is B dash, B A dash, K dash, P dash, C E. What is that? Backspace key. B A C K S P A C E. Backspace. Okay? The next one is E dash T dash R. E N T E R. Enter. Enter key. And the last one, A R, arrow. Arrow key. A R R O W. Clear to you? Okay? Completed? Okay, the next one is keyboard in touch screen computer. Now dear students, in touch screen computer, this is a type of a touch screen computer. A separate keyboard is not there. So, what we are having this type of keyboard visible here. यहाँ पे हमको यहाँ पे screen पे visible होता है and then we can type numbers or words in that. Okay? In a touchscreen computer, tap in an area where you need to enter text. We will just tap it and then an on-screen keyboard will appear here like this. Okay? Now, clear to you what is a keyboard in touchscreen computer? Students, there is an answer time. You have to tell me, ma'am will not tell you. Okay? Name the key that works like an eraser. अभी मैम ने आपको highlight करके पढ़ाया था. Tell me fast. Yes, very good. Backspace key. Now, which keys help you to move up, down, left and right when you type? Which keys are used? Tell me fast, I am waiting. Yes, very good. Arrow keys. Moving on to next, worksheet time. This is a worksheet in your textbook at the end of the chapter. You have to complete it in the textbook itself. Okay? I will do it 1 or 2 for you and the rest you will do it on your own. The first one, color the keys on the keyboard given below as per the color code. Now here color codes are given to us and the keys are given to us. We have to identify the keys here and then you have to color it in the textbook. Okay, and you have to use this colors only, no other colors. Okay. Now for backspace key, the color we have to use green. Where is backspace key? Here it is. This is a backspace key. So, which color you will fill? Green. Okay. Then the next one is enter key. 2 enter keys are here and here also. Which color you will fill? Red color. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे कौन सा color करोगे? Red. Okay. The next one are the arrow keys. These are the arrow keys. Okay. Which color you will fill? Blue. Then space bar key. Space bar key is here. Which color you will fill? Yellow. Okay. The next are the number keys. Where are the number keys? Here also and here also. These all are the number keys. So which color you will fill? Orange. And the last one is alphabet keys. These all are the alphabet keys. In these keys you will fill purple color. Clear? Okay, the next question is, look at the keys given below. Arrange the keys in order which they are placed on the keyboard. We have to arrange the keys in the order which are on the keyboard. See here, the first key is Q. So, आप first box में क्या लिखोगे? Q. The next key is W. So, what you will write? W. Here you will write W. Then the next one is E. So, what you will write here? E in the third one. Then the next one is R. So, you will write R. The next one is T. So, you will write T. Then Y. Then U. I. O. And the last one is P. Okay? क्लियर टू यू स्टूडेंट्स? ये आपको फिल करना है जैसे मैम ने अभी आपको बताया. ऑल द कीज. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन इज राइट द नेम ऑफ द की बिलो each of the given shapes. So now we have to write the name of these keys. The first one is the longest key. It is the longest key. Which key is this? Space bar key. Come on, write in your textbook along with me. S P A C E B A R. You will write here this spelling, space bar. Okay. The next one is backspace key. B A C K. S P A C E. Backspace. Okay. The third one is delete key. D E L E T E. And the last one is enter key. E N T E R. Okay. Clear to you? You will just write this in your textbook. Okay. We will meet in the next video with something new. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.